Hi guys, it's Saturday morning again. I have a chance to cook for myself and for my son. Okay, what we gonna cook today? I was thinking about, I don't know, shakshuka probably. Yeah, it's easy to cook. My daughter showed me a few times and she said it's nothing to worry about. Just throw everything what you have in your fridge. Okay, what do I got? Oh, I got onion. Okay, I'm gonna chop the onion. Let's see, I'm gonna chop half first. Maybe it's gonna be enough. I think it's enough. Let's see. Okay, chop onion. It's not bad. Okay, I got a garlic, like a few garlics. Yes, it should be okay. Like 4 or 5. I don't even. Yeah, I think it's 5. It's enough. Okay, have to put onion first, then garlic later. Okay, put my pan on the fire. Put oil. Put my onion. Mix a few times. Okay, should be okay. No, I think it's not enough. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna chop other half. One full onion should be good. So after 1 week of working, I cannot cook it during the week because I'm working for 13 hours a day, so I don't have time at all. What else I have? Okay, I find some bell pepper, orange one in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna put some orange. I'm gonna mix garlic. I think it's good enough. Yeah, I'm gonna put some garlic too later. Okay, let's clean the bell pepper. Let's cut it. Let's clean it inside with water. Let's prepare another one. I think I'm gonna put 2 orange and 1 green one. Let's chop it. Let's put garlic now. I'm gonna fry a little bit more. Onion. It looks like start caramelized already. Okay, nice. Looks nice color too. Orange, green. Yeah. So after 1 week working, I cook only weekend and not much. I never cooked before, so whatever I do, I try to find something easy to do. So it's not complicated because I'm not good at cooking. Yes, yeah, I put green one, mix all together, let it fry for a little bit longer. Okay, it's not bad, right? Yeah, color is good. Smell is good too, you know. So we'll see. Okay. It's a good weather outside today here, right? All right. Okay. So it's next thing to go to the pan. It's gonna be tomato. So shakshuka tomato. It should be tomato, right? So I got a few tomato left in my fridge. Small one is like five tomatoes all together. I think it should be good enough for the shakshuka. I'm gonna cut them. All right. That's not bad. Okay. Gonna put a lid on my fry pan. Oh, here we go. The tomato goes in. Gonna mix together. Gonna stay under the lid. Okay, it's been a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes already. I find some jalapeno. You know, guys, I like jalapeno. So I like a little bit kick in my food, little bit heat, little bit hot. So I clean jalapeno with water, cold water. I cut them, chop them. Okay, put them in the fry pan. Gonna looks good, tastes good too. All right, look at that, nice, right? I love it. Okay, I hope it's gonna taste as good as this looks, but we'll see. Yeah, but how you can make bad shakshuka? It's all shakshuka should be all good. Okay, so what else I find? I find I think I find some what's that, green onion. It's not that fresh, but it's still good, still no problem. It was in the fridge, so I'm gonna clean them, gonna cut them. It should be good. But I'm not gonna put it right now. I'm gonna put for later. Yes, it's not bad. Okay, so what? It's, yeah, I have to put tomato paste, but I couldn't find it. What I have a sauce for pasta, Italian sauce with basilic. So I decided to put it in. It's nothing gonna come out bad from that, right? It tastes good, smells good. So let's put it like I put two big spoon. So I mix together. Yeah, even looks good too, and smells come out nice also. So I put some salt, some kosher salt. It should be good, should be enough. Yeah, I'm bad with salt, so I never know how much salt I have to put. I cannot decide how much I have to put, so I put little bit, not a lot. So if it's not enough, you can salt it later, right? So mixed again. It should be enough to soon to put eggs. Okay, looks good. Nice. All right. Let's see. Okay, let's put lid back. Let's boil for a little bit longer. Okay, so I think it's time to mix it a little bit, and we'll see. It's boiling already. Nice sound, nice smell. So it's time to go to break in eggs. Just push with a spoon, make a little bit bad for eggs, and put like I'm gonna decide to put 6 eggs. Should be good, 3 eggs for each of us. Yeah, it looks good. All right. Now I'm gonna put green onion on the top. Looks better. And okay, decide to put a little turmeric on the top, little bit color, gonna be yellowish little bit. It's gonna be smell a little bit better. Okay, it should be enough, right? What else? I think it's something. Put something else, some spices. We'll see what to put it. Okay. Yeah, let's put some. Let's green some black pepper. Let me give a little bit more spice. I have spice already, my jalapeno, so it should be good. Little bit kick, but black pepper gonna give a little bit more taste, more spices. So it's good. Should be good. Okay, put lid back. Let's boil for a little bit longer. Look at that. I see it's almost done, but not yet. You see it's not white out yet, so let's wait a little bit longer. It's like a couple of more minutes. Here we go. Let's see now. Look at that. Looks nice, right? It's not hard. It's beautiful. Should be good enough to serve. Here we go. Let me put in the dishes. Half and half. Half for my son, half for myself. Looks nice. Hope my son like it. By the way, my son not a kid anymore. He's 39 years old, so can imagine I cook for my son. He should cook for me, but it's opposite. I cook for him. Well, it's okay. I enjoy it. Wherever I can cook, I cook. But I'm telling you, I never cook in my life. So that's how it's come out. Look at that. It looks nice, right? And let me put rest of it in my dish. So yeah, it looks nice. Smell nice too. All right, 3 eggs for each of us. Veggies, it cannot be better, right? Look at that. Beautiful, delicious. I hope so. We'll see. Alright guys, you see it come out nice, right? Never cooked before, guys, I'm telling you. You probably never gonna believe me, but it is what it is. Alright, let's give one to my son. And this was it for me. Looks good, tastes good too, guys, believe me. I love it. And it's shakshuka for you guys. Alright, see ya.
Ветер в камеру.